Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be getting ready for Disney. I'm really excited. It's a Friday. I heard it gets really nice on a Friday. I don't remember the last time I went to Disney on a Friday. Supposedly there's fireworks and there's supposed to be a parade today for Christmas. And yeah, I don't remember the last time I saw a parade, but other than that, I don't care. I'm super excited to go today and finally see all that. So yeah, you guys, if you're interested in getting ready with me, just please keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I did wash my face already and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a serum, and this is by Glow Recipe. This is a hyaluronic acid serum and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. I'm gonna apply my Selfless by Hyram moisturizer. Lip mask, you guys, I'm gonna be using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. I'm gonna start off with my eyes, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So I'm gonna use my Makeup by Ariel brush and the flat side, this one right here. I'm gonna blend out that concealer, you guys. For eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia primer. And I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit and then just blend it all over the lids. And then I'm gonna use this Morphe E67 brush and I'm just gonna blend it all out. And I'm gonna be doing something very similar to my last video, which is like just a very natural eye look. And take this nudist shade right here and apply it with my Makeup Shack brush. Once again, it's the T53. It just looks like this. Kind of thinking of doing a bold lip, but I'm not too sure yet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Aesthetic, which is this one right here. Now with that first brush, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take Expose, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. On to liner, you guys. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner. I hold my breath when I do my liquid liner, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Like I'm like I'm not even breathing. Oh my god. I'm gonna curl my lashes now. So moving on to the face, you guys, I'm gonna use the usual, the Nars Self Matte Foundation and Aruba. You guys know I absolutely love this foundation and I just wear it everywhere. Every time I do my makeup, this is the one I reach for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some with my ring finger. I'm really excited for Disney, you guys. I'm excited for Disney today because it's Friday and we heard there is like fireworks and a parade going on today, so pretty excited because of that. I don't think we've ever been to Disney on a Friday. So now, you guys, I'm actually going to be using my Born This Way concealer in the shade Toffee to contour my face. My favorite part of makeup. Blend this out with my Morphe E63 brush. And I'm going to start off with the forehead area first. And then I'm gonna go down to the neck area. And I'm gonna go over it with my brush, you guys, with the foundation that I have here. I'm just gonna go ahead and like clean around it. Okay, for concealer, you guys, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way as well. And in the shade Golden Beige. I'm gonna be applying a little bit, you guys, because on my last video, I feel like I overdid it. I don't know what the hell. You guys, now I'm gonna set this concealer with Mercier Translucent powder, and I'm gonna just And then I'm gonna look up. And I'm gonna grab Hoola Bronzer, which one? This one right here. And I'm just gonna apply a little tiny bit, not too much, because I already have like the shade of the contour. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some here, just a little bit, not a lot. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush, which is just the number 2 brush, and I'm gonna take this off. Okay, for blush, you guys, I'm gonna go in with the Love Sprung palette from Artist Couture, and I'm gonna use Lotus Love and Infatuated. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I can't pronounce her name. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this look and this video. I went ahead and I changed to my sweats, and I'm wearing just this cute 2-piece from Forever 21. I obviously had to throw on some sweatpants because it's gonna be really cold. We are going in the afternoon, so what do I expect? It's gonna be nighttime and it's gonna be freezing. So the beanie that I did get from Amazon, this is it, you guys. I freaking love it. It was $20. I'm gonna go ahead and link down below if you like it. I don't know if you'll like it. I don't know if it's your style, but it's definitely mine. I think it's gonna be too much because it kind of does look like I'm going to the snow, but you never know. It might start snowing. Just kidding. But yeah, you guys, it's like super freaking warm, but it's so cute. I freaking love it. It's like super, it's extra, but it has 2 little balls hanging, and yeah, so I love this. It's so cute. Anyways, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much if you did watch to the end. Thank you so much for I don't know, just being here and supporting me. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you could get an alert when I do upload. And comment down below something sweet if you feel like it. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!